Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Contigo by Boy with Uke. Let's get to it. Oh. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is one of his unreleased songs. It's just a minute-long songs, so I've gotten all my chords and all the lyrics from his minute-long songs and his lives. So if it sounds different when it comes out on the album in May, then I'll obviously do another tutorial and then a complete one with all the lyrics and everything. So yeah, make sure you get your ukes, make sure they're in tune, G, C, E, A. And then you're gonna want your capo on fret number 7. Usually the one with a dot on it. If you don't have a capo, you can still play the song with the same chords up here. It's just gonna be a couple octaves lower because you could hear how high that sounds. So it'll sound different, but it'll still be the same chords. It'll just be a lower octave. So yeah, let's get to the chords. All right, so we're gonna go over the chords in 2 separate parts. We're gonna do the verses and then we're gonna do the chorus. So starting with the verses, it is mostly the same chords besides 1 or 2 that are switched up at the end. So for the verses, the first chord is an F, which is your top finger on the 1st string 2nd fret and your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret. The chord after that is a C, which is just 1 finger on the bottom string 3rd fret. The chord after that is an E7, which is your pointer finger on this top string 1st fret, your middle finger 2nd string 2nd fret, and your ring finger, bottom string, 2nd fret. And then the final chord is an A minor, which is this top string, 2nd fret. So all together, for the verses, it is F, C, E7, and A minor. So for the verses, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. But when you get to the C, it's switched up a little bit. And I'll show you what it sounds like, and then I'll type it out just so you know. So F is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then C is down, down, up, down, up. Just like that. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you pause for a little bit, and then you play the E7. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then the A minor. So all together for the verse, it'll sound like this. Now let's get to the chorus. So for the chorus, all the chords are the same except for one. So instead of playing the E7, we're gonna play a G. And a G is your middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. And the order of the chords in the chorus is F, C, G, and A minor. The plucking pattern for the chorus is the claw, where you just pinch all the strings and pull forward. And it's 4 times on each chord, except for the A minor, it's only twice. So for the chorus, it'll sound like this. 4 times on F, 4 times on C, 4 times on G, and 2 times on A minor. Now let's go ahead and try to play through it and sing a little bit. Things weren't ever meant to end this way. I know I effed it up enough, what can I say? I'm sorry I can't seem to make you stay. I promise I won't put you through that pain. I wanna be contigo, but you're not in love with me, so all of the love turns me cold enough to turn away. Yeah, I wanna be contigo more than I wanna be free, so if that's okay, I don't wanna make you go, but what more is there to chase? Something like that. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Contigo by Boy With Uke. It's one of his newer songs, so picking up on the lyrics, I had to kind of look at them from what I thought they were and written down. So yeah, but it's pretty fun to play and it's a pretty easy chord. So go ahead and try it out and I hope it helps you. See you guys later.